Alright, today we're going to take a look at the Gears 3 and the notification functionality. We had a question that came in and someone was not getting notifications from their phone on their Gears 3. So we're going to show you how we can set that up so it will be working fine. So right now, if I will send a message to my phone here. So my phone is getting it, the Gears 3 is not. So the way to fix this and to set it up so that it works, you would want to open the Galaxy Wearable App and do this as the Gear S3 is already connected to the phone. So if that's not done yet, you can go ahead and do that. So then we will jump to the notification section here. And as you can see, the list of apps that are available for notifications are not actually on. So right here I have the Messages app that I can turn that on. So now the Samsung Gear S3 is going to get messages from there. And if you see all, normally we have a list of apps that you'll be able to get notifications from, so that the Gear S3 would get it there. So now if I send a message again, as you can see, nothing still showed up. The reason for that, even though, as you can see, we got the message here, even though we did that, we have the show only while wearing. So if we close that off there, we send the message again, I feel a buzz right now going off, so that I'm receiving it. If we want to get the messages as well while we're not wearing it, so let's say it's on a desk or something, we'll have to disable that right there, so show only when wearing. So now if I send a message, it should go through. Yep, and it's going through right now. You can hear the buzzing. So that is how you would set up the notifications to work with your Samsung phone or your iPhone. Just make sure you get the app, sync it, and make sure whatever apps that you want notifications for, they actually have it selected, and set it up how you like. Thank you for watching.